Hello everybody. This video is to help you know how to access your child's Google Classroom. It's going to look a little different because I'm going to access it through the teacher side of it, but it should look close enough where it should help you know how to get there. So first you're going to go to Google, then you're going to go to sign in. My accounts are already saved, but this is where your child would put in their S2 whatever number. They should know this and their password. If they don't, email your child's teacher at this point to get all of that information. So I'm going to go ahead and log in. Once they're logged in, you're going to go up to this icon here and you're going to click on Classroom. Now here you see all of the classes that I have as a teacher. However, your child will have whatever classes they're already assigned to. If you are looking to add a class, you're going to click on this plus button, join class, and here you should have gotten a class code from your teacher. Once you do, you'll click join, and that will then appear in this screen. If you have any questions, you can email me or your child's teacher.